Well, planet Earth is a remarkable place. It is our home, providing us with everything we need to live. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, we depend on a healthy environment. The Earth is also home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals, each playing a vital role in keeping our planet alive. However, our planet is facing some serious challenges. These problems are largely caused by human activities that are harming the environment. We are polluting our air and water, cutting down forests, and causing changes to the climate. These actions have consequences for all living things. One of the biggest problems facing our planet is climate change. The Earth's temperature is rising because of harmful gases released into the atmosphere. This rise in temperature is causing ice caps to melt, sea levels to rise, and weather patterns to change. We are experiencing more extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods. Pollution is another major issue. We release harmful substances into the air and water, contaminating our environment. Factories, cars, and even our homes contribute to pollution. This pollution can make people sick, harm wildlife, and damage ecosystems. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for timber or agriculture, is also a serious concern. Forests are essential for absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. When we cut down trees, we not only remove these vital carbon sinks, but also destroy habitats for countless plant and animal species. The good news is that we can all be part of the solution. There are many things we can do to protect our planet and create a healthier future. One important step is recycling. By reusing materials like paper, glass, and plastic, we reduce waste and the need to extract new resources. We can also make a difference by using clean energy sources. Solar, wind, and hydropower are renewable alternatives to fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change. By supporting and using clean energy, we reduce our carbon footprint and help protect the planet. Protecting our natural world is crucial. This includes preserving forests, oceans, and other ecosystems. By creating protected areas and promoting sustainable practices, we safeguard biodiversity, conserve resources, and maintain the delicate balance of nature. The future of our planet depends on the actions we take today. Each one of us has a role to play. Even small changes in our daily lives can make a difference. By reducing our energy consumption, using public transportation, and being mindful of our waste, we contribute to a healthier planet. Remember, we are all connected to the Earth. Its well-being is our well-being. By working together, we can address the challenges we face and create a brighter future for all. Let's be responsible stewards of our planet, ensuring its health and beauty for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference.